Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best C&A Pro Skis is probably one of the most sought-after ski brands for skiers of all levels, offering a wide variety of models designed to enhance your performance and enjoyment on the slopes, from carving precise turns on groomed runs to effortlessly navigating powder, and this video will guide you through the process of choosing the perfect pair to match your skiing style and skill level, ensuring you make an informed decision before buying. Number 5. Pride Razer RZ Skis. It starts flat. Then, the tips are carefully bent, creating natural outward pressure for superior performance. This unique design is key to its responsiveness. Notice the preloaded tips. They absorb bumps before they even reach you, providing a smoother, more comfortable ride. This reduces fatigue and improves control. Unlike other skis with rigid metal mounts, it features a patented all-plastic saddle. This integrated design maximizes flex and reverse flex for unmatched maneuverability. The simple 90-degree angles and flat bottom design allow it to effortlessly glide on the snow. It floats, rather than relying on artificial lift for its performance. The exclusive ball and cup tip assembly further enhances flexibility and reduces rigidity. This results in a more responsive and forgiving ski, ideal for various snow conditions. With its innovative design and superior performance, this ski offers an unparalleled ride. Feel the difference for yourself. What we like. This product features preloaded tips that absorb bumps before they reach the sled, an all-plastic saddle for maximum flex, and a unique flat-bottom design that floats on the snow. If you prioritize a smooth, comfortable ride that absorbs bumps effectively, this is the perfect choice for you. Its innovative design makes it ideal for riders who want superior control and maneuverability on various snow conditions. What people say. Skis fit great, also have the C&A logo on one side of each ski and comes with 2 spare stickers. Razers cut like nothing else with less ski pressure and more agility. These are some great trail skis. Number 4. C&A Pro Black XPT Ski Kit. This kit is designed to significantly improve your snowmobile's handling and performance. It's a complete solution for a smoother, more controlled ride. The XPT skis deliver superior performance on various snow conditions. Experience enhanced responsiveness and maneuverability like never before. These skis provide exceptional control and stability, allowing you to navigate challenging terrain with confidence. Enjoy a precise and responsive ride. Everything you need is included in one convenient kit. It's designed for a straightforward installation process on your 2012 Plus Polaris snowmobile. The added shaper bars further enhance your control and carving capabilities. Experience improved cornering and a more precise ride. This kit is specifically designed for 2012 and later Polaris Rush, Pro RMK, Switchback, and Assault models. Ensure a perfect fit for your machine. Built to withstand the toughest conditions, they are made from high-quality materials for long-lasting performance and reliability. What we like. This complete kit includes everything you need for a seamless installation, featuring high-performance XPT skis and 6 shaper bars for enhanced control. If you're looking for a convenient and high-performing upgrade for your snowmobile, this is the perfect option. The complete kit simplifies installation and ensures optimal performance right out of the box. What people say. Item as described. Number 3. C&A Pro Black XPT Ski Kit. This kit is designed to significantly improve your snowmobile's handling and performance. It's a complete solution for a smoother, more controlled ride. These aren't your average skis. They're built for superior performance, providing excellent carving and control on any trail. The included C&A loops add extra durability and style. They're a perfect complement to the high-performance skis. This kit is specifically designed for 2016 and later Ski-Doo models, excluding Summit and those with TS adjustable skis. It ensures a perfect fit and easy installation. These shaper bars provide superior bite and control on the snow. They enhance your steering precision and responsiveness. Everything you need for installation comes in one box. No need to source additional parts, it's a hassle-free upgrade. Upgrade your snowmobile today and feel the difference these skis make. Prepare for a thrilling and controlled ride like never before. What we like. This kit offers the same convenience and performance as the previous one, but it's specifically designed for your Ski-Doo snowmobile. If you own a Ski-Doo and want a hassle-free upgrade with superior handling, this is the kit for you. It's a perfect blend of convenience and performance, tailored to your specific snowmobile model. Number 2. C&A Pro Black XCS Ski Kit. This kit is designed to significantly improve your snowmobile's handling and performance. It's a complete solution for riders seeking enhanced control and maneuverability. Experience the difference of the XCS technology. It provides unmatched stability and responsiveness, allowing you to navigate any terrain with confidence. Everything you need is included: skis, mounting kit, and shaper bars. Installation is straightforward, ensuring a quick and easy upgrade. These skis are engineered to reduce starting and improve overall handling. Enjoy a smoother, more controlled ride in any snow condition. Built to withstand the toughest conditions, they're made from high-quality materials for long-lasting performance. You can depend on them ride after ride. This kit is specifically designed for 2012 and later Polaris Rush, Pro RMK, Switchback, and Assault models. Ensure a perfect fit for your snowmobile. What we like. This complete kit provides the convenience of a bundled package with the enhanced performance of XCS skis and 6 shaper bars. If you value a hassle-free installation and improved handling, this is the ideal choice. The kit is designed to seamlessly integrate with your snowmobile, offering a significant upgrade in performance and convenience. Number 1. C&A Pro Black XCS Ski Kit. Upgrade your ride with this complete kit, designed for a smoother, more controlled snowmobiling experience. It's perfect for enhancing your Ski-Doo's performance. These skis feature C&A's Pro Extreme crossover technology. Experience improved handling and maneuverability in any snow condition. Everything you need is included: a pair of skis, mounting kit, and shaper bars. Installation is straightforward and hassle-free. The 6-stud boy shaper bars provide superior carving and control. They're designed to work perfectly with these skis for optimal performance. This kit is compatible with 2016 plus Ski-Doo models, excluding Summits with TS adjustable skis, as well as select Lynx models. Check compatibility before purchasing. Take your snowmobiling to the next level with this high-performance ski kit. Experience the difference today. What we like. This kit is specifically designed for your Ski-Doo snowmobile, offering the same benefits as the previous one. If you own a Ski-Doo and want a superior upgrade in handling and convenience, this is the perfect option. It's a complete package designed for a seamless and effective upgrade to your snowmobile's performance. What people say. I run these skis on every sled I have and will continue to. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.